Very good morning to everyone. So and happy Saturday. So finally it's weekend. So no work, no school, just chilling in the house. So I have enough time to make breakfast. So today I'm gonna make a Sabudana Khichadi. It is an Indian breakfast. So the ingredients that we'll be using for this sabudana, of course we need sabudana. Sabudana is in Philippines, they call it sago. So this is the small white balls. Okay, so I have soaked this in water for overnight. So you don't have to really put water in this. First you have to wash the sabudana. Sabudana or sago. You wash in water. When you rinse it, just leave little water on the bottom. Okay, not really so much water, otherwise it's becoming soggy. So just a little water from the bottom, then cover it and leave it for overnight, or else 2 hours would be enough. So for this I will gonna, and also we'll need a curry leaves. We need one green chili, we need a lemon, and we need one chopped potato in a small chunk. Without potato it's okay, you can just have plain sabudana, but I want something vegetables inside, so I'm putting one potato. And then we will be needing a ground nut. I have ground this one myself, so we need ground nut. And then of course I'm using pure ghee or any cooking oil what you have available at home, and a cumin seeds. So that's all guys, let's start our cooking. So this is my pure ghee. I'm using this pure ghee. I think pure ghee is the fats from the cow. So now we have to put our pure ghee in. So 2 tablespoons is enough. We do not too much pure ghee, although this is good for your health, but too much for everything is not also good. So little in moderation. So now it's hot. This is now heated up. We have to put our curry leaves. After this, we put our cumin seeds. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then we'll put our green chili. You like to share? Okay, now we can put our vegetables, the potato. I have chunked into small pieces, so it's just easy to cook. So it doesn't take time. Then on this, I'll sprinkle salt. Just sprinkle a little bit. And just first we have to cook our potato. So now our potato is it's already cooked. It's already soft. As you can see, it's soft. So now this time we can put our sabudana or sago. So we put it inside. together. We have to check our flame so it doesn't get burned down. Then we'll put our groundnut. And I also gonna put my lemon. For now, I just have to put half. Then later on, if it still need more, so I'll adjust. So for now, just sprinkle a little bit. Half lemon. So I want my sabudana like a little like there will be a sourness taste on my sabudana. So for those who doesn't like sour, then don't put lemon. It's an optional. And then on this we have to put salt. I'm putting like 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I will adjust later on as per our taste. We can sprinkle a little of water so it doesn't get burned down on the bottom. So just sprinkle little water. Then you have to put your flame in slow. This will be a slow cooking. Then we have to wait until our sabudana or sago gets cooked. So as I can see, our sabudana is ready. So now we have to taste. Because once it's soaked with water overnight, it doesn't really require a lot of time in cooking. So once you soak it, maybe just a matter of 5 minutes or less than that, your sabudana is ready to go. So it doesn't require lots of time in cooking. So now let's taste if salt and lemon is okay. I need more salt. I don't feel any salt on my sabudana. So I require more salt. And then a lemon. So we need another lemon. And then we just cook it for another 1 minute. So everything should be mixed. The lemon and the salt that we just added just now. So everything should be mixed properly. This is very easy, guys, and very healthy sabudana, and very easy to make and very healthy breakfast. And on the top of that, this is a budget meal. See, look at the sabudana. We have to keep on mixing it so it doesn't go burn down from the bottom. Okay, so let's just get 1 minute more and then let's check again. Now, let's check again. I think this is okay, guys. It's perfect. Our Sabudana Khichadi is ready. Already okay. So now let's taste again. So let's taste. I'm gonna have with potato and sabudana. See? This is how it look like. I can taste the lemon. Quite spicy. Salt is just perfect. I really like this breakfast, guys. For Filipinos, since you guys are eating sago, this is really very good. You can make it for breakfast. Very nice. I like it. Very nice. The lemon, you know, when you eat lemon and a little salty, spicy, it's really, I'm drooling. It's nice. Okay, anyway, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my breakfast. So I hope you enjoy my breakfast recipe for today. Until to my next one. Bye!